Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob tonight. It is Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so I'm super excited, folks. My new Heikin-Ashi system for wealth charts is now complete, and I'm going to be doing a live presentation Friday at 11 o'clock Eastern. So we'll talk more about that in a minute. But let me kind of show you what I see in the market. So using my Heikin-Ashi system, this is a SPY on the daily. Okay, and you can see here, right, from 1 to 2, and then from 2 to 3, we're in a downtrend. So the overall bias is still to that downside. And so you can see here today, Wednesday's bar is closing red. And so what I'll look to do is tomorrow, if it opens up and I have right here, a red Heikin-Ashi dot, that could be a potential short play for me as a swing trade. And basically what happens is when I go into a trade, then I manage it specifically based off of my Heikin-Ashi trend. Okay. And what that means is, like, this was a great short opportunity on the daily right here. See the red dot? And then I stay into the trade until I either get a yellow or a green, depending on your risk tolerance. Okay. So what I like to do is use Heikin-Ashi in order to stay in a trades longer. Yet if it goes against me, I have specific rules on when to get out as well. Okay. Now I'm going to change this to a 5-minute chart. Heikin-Ashi works on all time frames. And so you can see today, we basically had a couple good trades today. Right here at lunch, you can see the nice short play. Okay. And again, the entry is right here. Here's an exit 1. Then you can get right back in 2 bars later and exit 2. Okay, so define rules, 2 good winning opportunities there. And then going into the close here, you can see that there was another short play going into that close. So that would be number 3. Okay, but you can continue to ride the trends. And my rules are very specific on when I enter and exit the markets. I will be talking about that extensively in Friday's webinar. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the daily here, and let me just show you a couple opportunities that I've been in for a while here, just to show you again how I manage trades. So Honeywell, HON, okay, it had a great long play here. Again, on the daily chart, you can see you've got the yellow Heikin-Ashi dot, then green. That's an entry point right here. And then when is the exit point? When I get a red dot, and you can see there's no red dot yet. Okay, so that's how you can maximize some of these wins. And as a swing trader, it's very easy to just look at them at the end of the day and say, okay, it's still red. I'm sorry, in this case, it's still green. I'm going to stay into that trade. And what we look to do is maximize our wins. Okay, my goal using Heikin-Ashi is small losses. I'll get some small wins, but then it's the big wins that builds the account. And so it's very effective in order to stay in the trades. That's where most traders struggle. Once they get a win, quote unquote, a win, they exit early, and then that's where all the money could be made. Okay, so MU, Micron Technology. I wanted to show you this one. So this is an example where we had a nice short play back here, right? If you look at the trend, 1, 2. Excuse me, we're in a downtrend market, right? This is a great little short play, and then you exit on the green dot. Okay. So again, what I'm going to be doing on Friday, folks, I'm going to be showing you my system. Now, you might say, well, how do you find these trades? Okay, that is where my Heikin-Ashi scanner, which again, it's only available on Wealth Charts. Super excited to share with you all on this Friday. You can see here, I've got a Heikin-Ashi algorithm score based on the number of fires. So the one that has the most fires is firing off. In this case, this is a 1-minute chart just to show you. It's triggering a bullish position with 4 solid fires. And what that's saying is, based on my Heikin-Ashi algorithm, everything I'm going to teach you in Friday's webinar, right? This was an opportunity on the 1-minute chart. And again, obviously the cool thing is, based on your time frame, you can change this to a 5-minute, a 15, a 2. You know, I love to swing trade off the 4-hour and the daily, so I could click on daily, and you can see how quickly it'll update for us as well. So real excited to share that with you on Friday. Again, what you'll do is you'll go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So becomeabettertrader.com/yes. And again, you can see it's Friday, November 11th, this Friday at 11 Eastern, 8 Pacific. You can get in there and sign up. And I'm real excited to share my Heikin-Ashi system with you. So with that, folks, have a great night. Best of luck and hope to see you Friday. Take care now.